Grok AI is no longer free. If you want to use it officially, you now have to pay around $10 to $30 per month. But what if I told you there's a way to use Grok AI for free and generate unlimited videos without paying anything? In this video, I'm going to show you a real platform that gives you access to both Grok AI and Veo 3 completely free. And no, this is not clickbait. It actually works. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you face any problem, just comment below. I'll reply to every comment. Today, I'm going to show you a platform where you can use both Veo 3 and Grok AI completely free. Simply open Chrome and search for Gemini Gen AI. As soon as you search, open the first website. You'll see an interface like this. Now, in the bottom right corner, you'll see an option for Grok. Tap on it, and from here, you can use both Veo 3 and Grok completely free. To start using it, tap on the three dots on the left side, then click on Login/Signup. I'll quickly log in using my Google account. Once you log in, this interface will appear. Now, simply paste your prompt here and click on Continue. You can generate a 6-second video using Grok and up to an 8-second video using Veo 3. After clicking Continue, a human verification will appear. Just complete it, and then your video will start generating. To view your video, tap on the three dots again and open the History section. Here, you'll find your generated video. You can simply play it and preview the result. As you can see, the video quality is really impressive, and if you want, you can extend the video from the bottom right corner or directly download it. I'll tap on Download and save the video. And that's it. This is how easily you can generate videos using Veo 3 and Grok AI for free. And if you run out with credits, simply log in it with temp mail. Try this method and let me know your results in the comments. I'll reply to you. See you in the next video.